Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cookies on Android. So for this, you have to go to any Google browser or Google Chrome. So just go for my Google Chrome. Now you can see in the top of the right corner there is a three dot option. Tap on it, go for settings. Now scroll down and go for privacy and security. Now you can see this is the clear browsing data option here. Tap on it. Now make sure your cookies and site data is checked. Okay, now you can set your timing from here for last hour, 15 minutes or last 24 hours or all these things. So just check it and go for clear data. Clear. Now it's done. So yeah, this is how you can clear cookies on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.